Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start with the essentials. Sign into your Xbox/Microsoft account on the console or Xbox app. Once signed in, make sure Grounded uses that same account. Mismatched accounts cause the network account required error. Next, check your internet and NAT type, because a strict NAT blocks verification. Also confirm system date and time are accurate. Authentication tokens fail if clocks drift. If any step fails, address it now so the game can detect a linked Xbox network identity. Now you actively link the account inside Grounded. Launch Grounded and pick the sign-in option. When Microsoft prompts accept profile, presence, and permission requests, this authorizes the game to use your Xbox identity. If the in-game flow stalls, open the Xbox app on your PC or console, confirm the same account is linked, then relaunch Grounded. Make sure no secondary accounts are signed in. Multiple profiles confuse the token exchange. Once permissions are granted, the game should proceed past the network account screen. Finish by restarting the game and the device to refresh authentication tokens. Small delays often resolve lingering checks. If problems persist, clear Grounded's local cache or reinstall, but backup saves first. Use cloud saves or manual export. Also verify Xbox Live service status. Outages prevent account verification. If you have multiple Microsoft accounts on the device, remove or sign out the extras so the correct identity is used. One key tip: if nothing works, sign out everywhere and sign back in on the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.